In this video, we're going to be talking about how to clear cache on the TikTok application, both on your iOS and Android devices. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your settings on your iOS device. Second, you want to simply go ahead into General and into iPhone storage and locate TikTok. Click on the TikTok app, click on offload, and then click on offload. Once you do that, simply click on the reinstall button and it's going to reinstall into your application, and the cache is going to be cleared, but not all of it. So now what you want to do is simply go ahead and head into your app store, click on your personal or person icon, and then click on personalized recommendations and click on clear app usage. Once you've done that, simply click on that one more time and your TikTok cache is going to be cleared on your iOS device. If you're on an Android device, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into the settings. And once you're inside of settings, head into apps and then locate TikTok, click on that, click on storage, and click on clear cache. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries,